So Midjourney is back into the game, you guys, and it has come up with some amazing updates that we covered in our previous video. So today in this video, we're gonna go ahead and test out the capability of the new updated Midjourney by discussing 15 different Midjourney styles that you can go ahead and create right now. And also guys, the best thing is you don't need to master any complex prompt formula. It would be a really basic technique. So yeah, stick around for that. And without further ado guys, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so here I am in the homepage of Midjourney, and as you guys can see from my create section that I've been working and testing on different Midjourney styles, and I have basically finalized some of the amazing ultimate Midjourney superhero styles that you're gonna love it. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and discuss 15 different Midjourney epic styles that you can go ahead and create very easily, and there would be no complex prompt formula. It would be really simple. And I'm going to also share the prompts for you so that you can create your own as well. So speaking of the prompt formula, like how you can go ahead and create these type of styles, so it's really simple. So first of all, you have to mention your any model or subject in the start. So it can be any superhero, it can be a person, it can be a car, like anything you want. And after that, you have to provide comma, then your style name, which can be like a cosmic god, neon biomic, it could be like anything you want. So I basically finalized these 15 styles for you. So let's just go ahead and discuss those one by one. So first of all, we have this cosmic nebula with ethereal lighting style, and I basically created Thor with the help of this style. So you guys can take a look at this image. The result is looking absolutely beautiful. It looks like the Thor is surrounded by like swirling, colorful nebula clouds, and it is showing like some kind of like Thor is illuminated by ethereal light. So it looks like a god emerging from the cosmos, right? And the effect looks really good. We have like a space effect in the background. So yeah, this style could be really ideal for like celestial or space themed comics. You can create comics or animations out of that very easily. Okay, you guys? Alright, then the next one, we have this biomechanical armor with neon glow style, and in that I have basically tested this on Iron Man. So this is basically a blend of organic and mechanical elements with Iron Man's armor pulsing with neon lights. It's creating a very good like a fusion of machine in life, and yeah, basically creating amazing result. Like take a look at this one. Wow, it looks like some kind of an AI generated Iron Man, something like that. Looks like more like a robo with neon stripes going all the way in his body. So yeah, this could be very good for sci-fi or advanced tech settings. You can use that in games or animations. You can try to create like different models, different videos out of that. Okay. So the next style we have is Golden Egyptian Pharaoh Warrior in Sunlight. So yeah, we have Wonder Woman in that style. So you guys can see Wonder Woman is looking like it's in a radiant Egyptian warrior bathed in golden sunlight. So we have a golden tint, golden tone all the way like everywhere in the image, and especially the first one. Yeah, it looks really good. This could be perfect for ancient mythological fantasy stories, so you can go ahead and use this style in lots of your other purposes. Okay, then the next one, we have a very amazing gothic vampire knight with moonlight shadow style, and yeah, that could work absolutely perfect for Batman, no doubt in that. So yeah, take a look at this one, right? So Batman is looking like a brooding knight with a bat-like armor. He's standing in a moonlight shadow, so we have moon in the background, exotic, haunted, gothic energy into that, and take a look at this result, right? It looks absolutely perfect. So yeah, these styles you can go ahead and create your own very easily. And speaking of the parameters, like what type of parameters I'm using, so these are the very basic one. We have the square image size, the stylization is default 100, we have no weirdness, no variety, and make sure you have this personalized feature turned on because we are focusing more on our prompts with different styles. Okay, all right, and then we have this classic fantasy wizard style with sparkling magical aura, and we're using Deadpool into that. And take a look at these results, right? These are looking really good. We have Deadpool as quirky, magical, like a fantasy wizard scene. So it's having some mischievous humor into the images, and wow, like take a look at this one. Looks really intense, and the results it came out are absolutely fantastic. So you can use these images for like comedy fantasy comics, or you can create game scenes out of that as well. Then the next we have a very interesting style. So this is like a godlike figure in glowing marble So yeah, we have Superman in that. So yeah, Superman is posed like an ancient statue. You guys can take a look at from this image. It's carved from glowing marble. So it's basically exuding a godlike presence and, a very, you can say, like timeless power. And yeah, this image specifically looking like it's some kind of a statue. You can use that as a decoration piece. So yeah, these kind of models results you can create very easily by following this style right over here, okay? Then the next one, we have a bioluminescent jungle beast with mystic aura. And in that, yeah, we're going to use the best one, Black Panther. So yeah, the Black Panther is looking like glowing with bioluminescent markings. So these are like blending into a mystical jungle setting that you can see in the background, and a very amazing mythical aura in this image you guys can see. Like we have that tinted tone all the way in the images. And take a look at this last image. Wow. This is looking really, really good. So this is a very amazing style, you guys, once again. So this you can use as, you can say, if you're working on mystical jungle themes, or you can create like nature-based fantasy comics out of that as well. Then we have a very cool looking style, as you guys know, like Halloween just passed, so you can create these kind of styles. So this is sinister carnival clown style with bright colors and dark shadows. And we have Deadpool into that. Not the best superhero you can use into that, but yeah, we have to try some of the really amazing, like interesting things out of Midjourney, of course. So yeah, we have Deadpool as a twisted carnival clown. We have like very, very garnished colors, like painting all the way, on his costume, and it's just like looking very chaotic, very dark. Like it is also comedic. Like these all are we're getting all at once, right? So this could be like very perfect for like dark comedy, or if you're working on something like maybe like clowns or Halloween. So yeah, that could be a really good as well. Next one, we have this glitchy vaporwave synthwave landscape, and for that we use Black Panther. So it's ideal for retro futuristic jungle settings. Now take a look at this result. Looks really, really vibrant and glitchy at the same time, like a Black Panther in a digital jungle with neon vaporwave effects. And yeah, this looks really, really amazing too, right? Then we have Captain America in steampunk pirate captain with gears and goggles. And yeah, like take a look at this result. Like Captain America is in a rugged steampunk twist. And yeah, like we have some mechanical parts all over on his face and on his costume. And wow, this result is looking really, really good as well. It's great for like, alternative, you can say history adventures or timelines. So you can create these kind of different results. You can customize your superheroes with the help of Midjourney very, very effectively, you guys, right? Then we have a very cool effect, which is Sea King with oceanic crystal armor. So yeah, for that, if you're talking about sea or ocean, so yeah, Aquaman would be the best model. So yeah, Aquaman in shimmering crystal armor that glows with a deep sea radiance. So yeah, take a look at this result. Okay, this one is looking good as well. And the last one, wow, this is looking absolutely beautiful. So you can use this style, it's ideal for oceanic fantasy, or you can like create underwater stories out of that as well. You can choose any model you like. Then the next one is very funny and very interesting too. So we have ancient stone colossus with cracks and moss, and for that I've chosen Hulk. Not the best choice, but yeah, let's go for that. So Hulk as a massive stone skinned titan with cracks filled with green moss. And like take a look at this result. Wow, it's giving me like that help face, like help vibe. But yeah, at the same time, it is created out of ancient stone as well. Then you have this result, okay, and not exactly perfect because we have the face as not like that, but the body looks really, really good as well. Then the last one, wow, this is the best out of all the images, right? So yeah, it is perfect for like, you can say mythological, or you can create like earth-themed tales out of this style as well, okay? Then I have chosen Captain America in our retro sci-fi spacesuit with vintage gadgets. So yeah, this one is looking really, really good as well. We have Captain America in a classic 1950s style. You guys can see he's wearing a spacesuit with retro gadgets. So it's basically a very good mix of patriotism and vintage space tech at the same time. And like take a look at this rat's result. Okay, this looks really, really good, especially this one. Yeah, it's giving me that vintage vibe that I was looking for specifically in this style. Then our second last one, we have the Wasteland Warrior with scarred armor and battle wear. And for that, I've chosen Wolverine. Like, take a look at this first image, right? Looks really, really good. We have our Wolverine in battle. He's wearing like scared armor. He's showing signs of countless battles. Yeah, you guys can take a look at this result. Yeah, the background is really, really interesting. And it is a very intense image we get out of that. And yeah, it's standing like a hardened survivor in a desolate wasteland. And like, take a look at this last result. Wow, this is the best out of all the images that we've done today, right? Then the last one, we have Cyber Ninja with holographic webbing in Dark Cityscape. And for that, we've chosen Spider-Man. So yeah, we have Spider-Man as a stealthy ninja with glowing side. Basically, just merge 2 to 3 things just to get some interesting styles out of Midjourney. So yeah, the Spider-Man is swinging through, you can say, neon lit cityscape with a cyberpunk edge into that. It's not like the perfect style that you can go for, but just want to show you how good and how interestingly you can create superheroes with different styles out of Midjourney. Like, so all of these are looking really, really good as well, right? So yeah, there you go, guys. This was a complete tutorial on how you can go ahead and create different styles for your superhero images, and you can basically work everything out with the help of Midjourney. We discussed some of the amazing styles out there, and I have also shared the prompt with you so that you can try your own as well. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.